Alright guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing the brand new Phone Rebel Gen 4 case. And so looking at the back of the case here, you can see all of the different features that this case has, as well as a very detailed image of the Phone Rebel Gen 4 case. Then as you can see on the side, we've got the Rebel logo and the for iPhone 14 Pro text, and same thing on the other side. And we've actually got a new unboxing experience this year. We've just got normal stickers on the top and bottom instead of those horrible pull tabs we had on the Gen 3. And so taking it out now, you can see that the case, as well as everything else that you get, is now seated in this new black cardboard-like tray that we've never seen before. Then once you take everything out, you can see that we have Phone Rebel logo on the inside as well. Then taking a look at everything else we get inside the box here, we've got your screen protector as well as everything that you need to apply the screen protector, but no more sticker unfortunately. And finally, taking a look at the case, we've got an all new pattern on the inside here, as well as a little outline for MagSafe. A new Rebel logo at the top, which I actually really like. Now, Phone Rebel has also released brand new interchangeable buttons so that you'll be able to custom interchange your buttons on your case to different colors or different materials that they also sell on their website, which is pretty cool. And here's the overall look of the Phone Rebel Gen 4 Rebel series case in my iPhone 14 Pro Space Black. It fits great, it looks super sleek, and is overall really well designed, just like every other Phone Rebel case. It's kind of hard to pick up on camera, but we've got some new glossy parts on the back of the case here, which add a really nice accent. So yeah, overall it looks really clean and it's just a great case. Alright, so this video is really just a quick one. It's really just meant to give you guys a first look at the new Phone Rebel Gen 4 case to see if you might be interested in it for your iPhone 14. And I'm about to tell you what I think about it so far real quick, but stay tuned for a long-term review of this case. It will be coming out shortly, so make sure you subscribe down below and turn on post notifications so you don't miss that. But so far, this case is really nice. There are definitely some improvements over the Gen 3, but it mostly feels the same. As I mentioned earlier, the Gen 3 and 4 both now have interchangeable side buttons, and I think that this is a great customizable feature of this case that most other cases don't have. And they have so many color options for the buttons. I think that they have every single iPhone 14 and 14 Pro color as an option for the buttons, and even an Apple Watch Ultra inspired button as well, which is really cool to see. And I also noticed that the buttons on this case were a lot clickier than the Gen 3 ones. I also of course love the classic carbon fiber Rebel look with the space black iPhone 14 Pro. It just fits together so well, the black on black. But I think that's gonna wrap it up for today's quick unboxing and overall first look of the Gen 4 Rebel case. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and if you want to see more videos like it, don't forget to go down below and hit the subscribe button. It helps me and the channel out a ton, and I'll see you all in my next video. Peace.